It's 2026, and for the first time in history, America decides to officially celebrate Eid al-Fitr. What would that actually look like? The White House glows with crescent moons and fairy lights. The president delivers an Eid address, recognizing the month of Ramadan and the spirit of sacrifice. Times Square reads Eid Mubarak in giant digital letters. But it's not just about decorations, it's about something bigger. Picture this: Muslims and non-Muslims gathering on the National Mall for an open-air iftar dinner. An elderly couple from Iowa sharing a plate of biryani with a family from Dearborn. Kids collecting Eid from neighbors of every background. Churches and synagogues sending representatives to join community prayers. America celebrating Eid wouldn't just be a Muslim holiday, it would be a powerful statement. In 2026, Eid in America wouldn't just be about marking the end of Ramadan. It would be about marking the beginning of something beautiful. A nation united in understanding, respect, and shared joy. Because when America celebrates together, America becomes stronger together. Eid Mubarak, America. See you in 2026. If you're watching this, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Hit that subscribe button and press the bell icon so you never miss any latest tech news and updates. Stay tuned for more amazing content.